In this video, I will show you how to set up MicroSIP on your computer with your VoIP.ms account. Once fully set up, you will be able to make and receive calls. MicroSIP is an open source soft phone that is available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Check out the links in the description box below if you currently don't have it installed on your computer. For the purpose of this video, I will show you how to do it on Windows. To get started, click on the arrow pointing down and then Add Account. Account name can be set to your name or simply to VoIP.ms. SIP server and SIP proxy is the server you wish to use with VoIP.ms in order to make calls. Your best choice is a server close to your physical location. I will set it to newyork8.voip.ms. The full list of servers appears in the description box below. Username is your VoIP.ms 6-digit account number. You can find this information in your portal directly on the main page. Domain is again the server you wish to use with VoIP.ms in order to make calls. Password is usually the password you use to log into your VoIP.ms portal. If you use sub-accounts, it will be the respective sub-account password. Finally, display name is where you can set your name or the name of your company. I will set it to VoIP.ms. You may now proceed by clicking on Save. You will then see that you were registered automatically at the left of the application with the phone icon changing to green. You can also confirm your registration by heading to the VoIP.ms customer portal homepage. Scroll down to Registration Status and you will be able to see the status of your main account or sub-account based on your specific use case. Next, you will need to configure your DID number so that you can also receive calls on your soft phone. Head to your VoIP.ms customer portal, DID numbers, manage DIDs, and then edit the number of your choice. By default, your routing settings will be set to SIP/IAX and to main account. This can be changed if you wish to route calls to a sub-account, ring group, or more. Here, I will leave it as is. Scroll down to DID Point of Presence and select the server you have registered your soft phone to. In my case, I had it set up to New York 8. Once done, head all the way down and apply the changes. Now that you have everything fully configured, let's do a quick test. I will make a call to the VoIP.ms toll-free line and make sure it connects. And there we go.
Thank you for calling VoIP.ms. For service in English, press 1 now.
And this is how you can make and receive calls with MicroSIP and VoIP.ms. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.